Your business in your mind is out there to make money. Revenue is what you're about. That is your goal. So whenever I ask a company what their goal is, they always come back with the same response: money. Or they give me a target revenue. I want to make $1 million this year. Like, that's literally what they told me. That was their goal. And I said, oh, well, that's wonderful. So what did you make last year? And they said, oh, well, we just started, so we're not even up and running yet. So I find that funny, because you can't possibly have a target revenue price without having a company mission first. It is absolutely imperative in today's market that your company has a brand mission, and your campaigns for marketing and sales need to be geared toward that actual mission. So instead of just plain old brand awareness, which is the old school thought, you need that modern paradigm shift of marketing and sales that is audience centered. What is your company's actual mission to their customers? If you can define that, center your marketing efforts around that goal, then your results will be more revenue. So it is absolutely imperative in today's market, because of the way that people research how they're going to buy. Their buyer journey is starting on digital platforms. They research the problem that they're having. They want a solution to the problem that they're having. So the paradigm shift in marketing is not just shouting your product, and hope if one day they have a need for your product, they're going to remember your name. No. It's all backward now. So if your sales have been plateauing or decreasing in the last 5 years, your first step is going to be going back and figuring out what your brand's mission is, not what you produce or what service you provide, although that's easier to start from, but how you are geared towards your customers. What is your target audience's main problems? What are they? And how can you serve them? How can you provide them with a solution to their problem? And not only do you have to know that and have your sales team go out there and tell people about it, but your marketing campaign needs to be based in content writing. Because if it's based in content writing, those people who are out there researching the solution for their problems are looking for people to identify with their problem, empathize with their problem, show them how they're going to get their problem solved. And then your CTA, your call to action, is going to direct them to you or your products and services that will solve that problem. But first, you have to educate them and identify with their problem and how that could be solved. And then work your way in there as to how your products and services solve that problem. It's all audience centered now. It is not brand shouting and brand awareness. It is brand mission awareness and target customer centered content that they want to see, that they want to know about. And you know what that does? Not only does it get you more attention and brand awareness, but it also pre-qualifies your leads. You're actually going to filter in these leads of people who are actually shopping for your product and not just cold calling or shouting out your product to random people in hopes that somebody's gonna bite.